I was summarily fired by the Department of State after 20 years of service. I had recently returned to Maryland. My brother was dying of cancer, and the next day I was walking out the door of my house when the phone rang, and it was HR. They told me that I needed to stay at home. It was mostly an issue of COVID, so I did that. And it was a letter stating that they were no longer in need of my services. I didn't know what to do, so I spent a few hours completely in shock. After having a meeting with Tiffany, I knew that I had made the right choice. Tiffany was so professional. She was incredibly prepared and composed. As a courtroom attorney, Tiffany was so straightforward, clear, and concise. I am extremely thankful for the Cruz Law Firm. Anyone who is in need of their professional services, definitely consult with them.
I was diagnosed with PTSD. As most people know in the fire service, we see very traumatic stuff. When I raised my hand and asked for help, I was discriminated and retaliated against for doing so. My dreams felt like reality. Specifically, there was a reoccurring dream where I was being taken through a home. The burn victim's eyes would all look at me, waking up in the middle of the night, having a panic attack. When I raised my hand for help, told them that I was having trouble sleeping, quite frankly, that they didn't believe me. I was just left to deal with my own problems. So yeah, it was a horrible, horrible 2 years. One of the things that really made Tiffany stand out with me and my family is that she didn't just care about me, but more importantly, she cared about my wife and my daughter. And a lot of times she would ask how they were doing. Sometimes when the command staff would continue to attack me through the process, she would put her foot down and threaten to file a complaint so that they would back off. She really helped me in some pretty dark places. Ms. Cruz is dedicated to doing what's right.